Let's know about collective nouns in a quick session. Collective noun refers to a group of individuals or things considered as a single unit. As an example, a group of something, a group of friends, circle, a group of robbers, gang, a group of artists, troupe, a group of workers, union, a group of musicians, band, a group of pictures, gallery, a group of informations, data, a group of laws, code, a group of flowers, garland, a group of listeners, assembly, a group of soldiers, regiment, a group of sailors, crew, a group of players, team, a group of directors, board, a group of dancers, troupe.
Follow for daily updates.